Hello there, welcome back to another class. Today's class we are learning in some class we are learning how to work on adobe animate, how to take page, how to today's class is much interesting. So that class we just working on something new and creative, so we can learn something more. Okay, first of all you can check this description box. You will get a link, so just a link and download the file. So when you just download the file, you get a file like this. So in here, and today's class is much interesting because last some days we work on this sense option. Okay, now come to question, what is the sense? Actually this is the front part and this is the sense, and now we are going to work on the depth. So that is known as we are working on sample. For example, last some days we work on this our body upper parts like skin, something like our face skin, but we are working in our inside of the body like kidney, liver. So don't be complicated. So come to the main topic. So this is the main object, this is the main part, and this is the main sense. Now we are working on the main depth and inside the sense. So inside the sense, so how to do that? So first of all we have this just download them, just download this file. When you just download, you get a flash adobe animate file like this, and then we just select all of the object. So you see that we select in here lot of object in here. So every single part is a different, so every single layer is a different. So you can what to do, so just select all of them, just you just click the selection toolbars and just select all of them together and press F8. So when you just press it, you get a sample. So you can make this sample name, you can name it like car sample. So this is the car sample, and must be always remember that will be in graphics mode. So in here, so movie clips not like that will be graphics, and this point in a midpoint, so registration in a midpoint in together. So it will be help you, so make it perfect. Okay, then okay, so when you just now you can see that this is the now sample. So all our part is not divided, so you can it's a totally in one format. You can see that is the one format, but this is our body. Okay, for example, this is our body. When you just double click on it, just again told that the double click. For example, this is the sense, and when you click the sense, when it's in one format, just double click on the sense, just double click on your mouse, just double click, and you will go to the sample part. So you see that the sense option, and the car sample part. So this is it. So now you are inside of your body, so inside of your animation. So that was the main sense. This is the main sense, and again when I click that, we are in now our sample option. So this is our inside of this animation. So and again you want to go to the sense option, you can click in here or just click in here. You will just click in here, you will go to be sense. So again just select and double click, you in car sample option. So now just come the main topic, so you can make it in easily. So you can see that. So for again, so this is the layer out the layer 1. So in here just as again just press F5, or you can do insert frames, you can take a frame. So I must suggest, if you are working on animation, you must remember this shortcut keys. That is really essential. So just press F5 and say and F5 just, and for this taking convert to keyframe, just F6 is just zoom in, and you can see this is the option there, and there's the transformation tool option. Just select this. I want to this will be this will be running, so this car will be running. So this I want to feel like some movement in here. Just what object you want to select, just click and press shift, you will select everything. So which object you want to click, and in here some, you know, when it's working, some moving apart, little bit moving, and this will be, this part will little moving, this. Okay, so when you just see that, you will understand some motion in here. You see that? That's the first and the second, so you know, that's pretty much interesting, and it have some nice feel to you. So then again, insert frame, press F5, and in here press F6. So that's first one, that's the first one. First pose is like this, and second pose is this, and third pose you have to change little bit, so it have some you know, some feel, so it's moving, and it's like this, and also this one. Just select them, and this, okay, and this, in that part just need to be smoother line, and this will be like this. So that's our main themes. You see that that's the three pose. Okay, so now we are inside the, we are now into our animate. So in here, one pose, two pose, and three pose, 1, 2, and 3. So now time to just to go to the, this is the, we are now working on samples. So again, I'm really you know, that's a bit hard to express, because my English is not so too much cool, but I'm trying to give every single thing, so there's nothing will be a confusion. So this our you are now into the sample. So this is the sample. Now we are going to sense. So this is the sense. So you can see that in here we don't have any moving object in here, so you can see that. So nothing is this is the main option, but in here we don't work on any kind of animation. In here we go to into the sample option. So in here we just take this 3, press F6. So you can see one magical thing, you know, that's automatically work. You see this? So this is the very cool and pretty much interesting thing. So now we are going to movement our main sample option. So first of what to do, take a just there's a text layer option, and you just click your main layer. Just in here, just press the F6. So when you just press F6, just move it little bit, press F6, and then move it again, press F6. So in here little more, and in here just 2 seconds, just press F6, and it's more, and in here just delete some frames, shift F5 for the delete frames. So in here just F6 and just throw it out. So you see this in here we just also the moving frame part. So in here just select all of them and right button click and create classic twins. So when you just create the classic twins, you will see this result, and it will be movement, and it will really look that's pretty much interesting and pretty much a cool class, and so when I just learning the Adobe Animate, so I feel this class is really interesting and pretty much lovable. So so if you have any confusion, if you have any kind of asking, you can comment down below, and I just share the file on the Dropbox, and you also the download this type of vector in freepik.com. So there's a lot of free vectors available there, and if you have anything, so you can ask me. And apology, my English is not too much high, so but I'm trying to give you all the information, so you can learn. So I don't want to, so you can learn. So and if you want this family bigger, so please subscribe. So your support make this family bigger. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button. This is completely free, and let me know what will be next, and see you. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. You get this what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.